Well, I think I have a better angle on this aircraft. I have no idea if it's a replica or not, but it is Messerschmitt 262, one of the first jet engine warplane ever built by the Germans during World War II. And this one looks like it's a two-place, so I have no idea what it is, but cool airplane, very nice. It's one of the few airplanes that I haven't touched and flown. Beautiful. Notice the flying tail that has a complete set horizontal stabilizer. Let me see if I can get it closer. I have no idea how many degrees, but it looks like about 12 degrees movement on it. Trim. So let me take a selfie. Can you? Just aim it, it's filming. I want to touch it. Thank you.
No worries.
I appreciate you.
No worries.
I came here just to see that airplane.
Really?
Yeah.